Why does cooking smell spread through the entire house? Because your home is designed to trap it. A proper range hood pulls smoke up and out. It does not let it circulate. Carpet, heavy drapes, fabric sofas, these materials hold smells. Every meal leaves a trace. No carpet, thin curtains, leather sofa, smooth surfaces, nothing for smells to cling to. A bathroom with no window, but the fan runs constantly. Moisture and odor have no choice but to leave. The bedroom, 2 windows facing opposite directions. Wind enters one, leaves through the other. Closed doors trap air. Smell gets stuck between rooms. The fix? Gaps under doors. 2 centimeters under every door. Air flows. Pressure equalizes. Smell does not accumulate. Induction cooktop. No gas, no flame, no smoke. No combustion means almost no smell. The home does not smell. The home lives. You cook. The rest of the house keeps breathing.